See, y'all ain't for me. Y'all ain't for me. How y'all ain't remind me to promote? I know I'm tripping. I know I'm tripping. Hello my lovelies. It's nighttime, so I'm trying to do a quick little short video because I know I've been MIA for a little while. I don't know if it's days or weeks, but I feel like I just posted a video. I don't know. But hi you guys, if you're new, then hey, thank you for joining. I see a couple more people subscribed. And if you're why do I say if you're a seasoned subscriber, then you already know what it is. Yeah, I've been away because I've been pretty busy. Yes, your girl has been booked and busy, okay? And when you booked and busy, you ain't really got time for nothing else. You know how I get down. Hey, cause tunnel vision. But I just pretty much wanted to come on and give you guys a video so y'all know that I ain't forget about you. No, I ain't forget about y'all. Just that I've been busy, yes, and pretty much give some motivation to you guys that haven't made sales or feel like you want to give up, because I know I talk to a whole lot of people in my DMs, and they pretty much they tell me it's harder than they thought it was gonna be, that I just want to give up, I haven't gotten a sale yet, or it's too hard, that it's not. Just keep pushing and you will get there. I promise you. Like, I've been doing this for years. It's not going to come overnight. Like some people, yes it does, but that comes. I know I'm not going to say that it does, because the people that automatically jump into the business and get sales, usually they have a high following and people that they can just push out the information and then they go support them type thing. So even to get a large following, you have to put work in to get followers or whatever. So I won't say nothing happens overnight, but I'll put somewhere up here or a following picture or whatever where in 7 days, yes, 7 days, over $1,000 in 7 days. I mean, you just got to be persistent. Stop worrying about others and what they're posting, and stop worrying about the status of other people that's doing the same thing as you. And I promise you, things will turn around and you'll start to notice that things are looking up for you, and it's popping. Like, I don't worry about what nobody else is doing. I mind my business. I mind my little black owned business. So like I said, this video was not going to be long. I'm just sticking my head in and everything because I needed to give you guys a video, and this is like a motivational video to show you guys what I'm pulling in. Like, I don't get that like every 7, but that's around about what it's happened. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, but that's what I'm bringing in, selling lip gloss, waist trainers, stuff like that or whatever. I don't know what some of you guys that follow me, all of you guys I know don't sell lip gloss or whatever. You ventured off, you sell other stuff or whatever. But I'm just saying, stay consistent and promote, and you'll be fine. So thank you for watching this little short video. And if you are if you have a small boutique or whatever and you're looking for a US based vendor, please check out my site, because I have I not only sell my own lip gloss, waist trainers, and accessories and stuff. Soon I will be offering wholesale accessories like earrings or whatever. Yeah, wholesale handmade accessories. And I already offer wholesale sunglasses, yeah, like brooch pins, and wholesale lashes, and wholesale tubings, wholesale gloss. Like, And next week I'll have some clothing coming in. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, usually my Instagram followers, they see everything first, because I post a lot of stuff in my stories. I try to keep my page, like my page posts for my personal shop where I sell my, you know, handmade jewelry, my glosses and stuff like that, because I don't want to flood my timeline with wholesale stuff when I know I have regular customers too. So my wholesalers know that, okay, most of this wholesale stuff is going to be in my highlights or in my stories, or either I'll post a post on my page to tell them to look at my stories if you want insight on wholesale. So yeah, so thank you for watching this video, and please stay tuned for more videos. Thank you for rocking with me. This is okay. When you the only one doing everything, okay, I'm busy. I be busy all the time now, and I try to squeeze out time where I can. Like, okay, I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning right now, and this is pretty much like the time that I get to, you know, do stuff, because I just got finished packing some orders for yesterday. I didn't want to wait till the last minute, so I can get them out, make sure I get them out, because y'all know how I feel about my shipping. But till next video. Oh, see, y'all ain't for me. Y'all ain't for me. How y'all ain't let me and remind me to promote? I know I'm tripping. I know I'm tripping. Well, here it is. These are Flirt, the mink lashes, and they are also available in wholesale. Yes, they are, and all my wholesales come in holographic boxes. See if I can. Oh, I got one right here. Oh, I'm about to knock everything over. But they come in these holographic boxes right here, the wholesale. So you can change them out into whatever boxes you order, or you can use the ones that I provide for you. So they come ready to sell. You just got to put your label on it or whatever. But yeah, that's my promotion. You see, I have this is what I use when I'm going live on Instagram. I made my little piece of cardboard, whatever. So anywho, that ain't what it's about. But yeah. But remember to be you, because only you can do it best. That's what I forget.